The way these work is you slide these on top. There's a little groove in there if you can see it. And then when you depress this, what it does is it presses down on the top of the paint can. Let me see if I can get the paint can top off. All right, so these are hard to get off, right? You got to squeeze it here and it pops off. It's a nightmare. Squeeze it like there to get it off. So the way it works is you see this groove right here? This slides on it like that. And then you got to make sure that you point. If you put it in like that, it's just going to squirt sideways. So you got to make sure that it's pointed forward. And then you want to make sure you shake it up really good. Like this. What do you think? Did I do it right?
Yeah, where's my
Okay, ready to rock.
put it away?
Boom. All right, and that's how you do it. You just go out and spray paint whatever the heck you're going to spray paint. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.